Okay, everybody, I'm coming again. Okay, I will take everybody to have a face-to-face show of our factory. You see, now let's start from our entries of our factory. Hello, welcome new friend. Come to visit our factory. Follow me, follow me, follow me. Now we will come to our main entries of our factory. You can have a detailed look at the appearance of our front door. You see, this is our building of our factory. I will start from our gate. Hello, new friend Hello, welcome new friend. Come to my live room. Welcome new friend. Come to my live room. You see, this is the factory of Alucoworld. You should recognize our gate because you see now more and more Alucoworld become more and more popular. So many fake companies will say they are also Alucoworld. No, Alucoworld is only one factory in Taixing City, Jiangsu Province. This is our gate. So you should recognize who is the real factory of Alucoworld. Who is the factory of Alucoworld aluminum composite panel? This is our building. This is our building. You see our sales department is located in our sales department is located in Shanghai. But our production is located here. We have two sub areas. Here is, but this is the old building. This is the old building. We have the new plate of the production, but also in this city. But it is building now. Be built now. Yeah, we have 70% in our live room now. You see, first of all, the first place you see now is the door of our office building. This is the main office building of Alucoworld. You see the curtain wall is also made by our Alucoworld aluminum composite panels. This aluminum composite panel, you see, the curtain, the aluminum composite panels of this building are already nearly 15 years history. You can see the color is still very good, no fading. So let's step into this building now. Firstly, you see, is our reception area. And the two sides of our reception desk are the working area and rest area of our workers. The first floor we mainly visit is our quality inspection department and the products exhibition hall. Hello.